Welcome to the world of MDO, an enterprise data platform where you will discover how MDO can help you optimize your inventory and streamline your supply chain by improving your material data quality. MDO can help not just streamline inbound supply chain by managing finished goods data, but also outbound supply chain by managing both indirect and direct materials. So, is free text purchase orders increasing your working capital? Do you have duplicate spare parts of multiple sites or plants? Are inconsistent material descriptions increasing your procurement turnaround time? And are you facing frequent productivity losses due to the unavailability of spare parts? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this demo will show you how you can reduce your working capital by optimizing your inventory and increasing efficiencies in your inbound and outbound supply chains. We will start with creating a new spare part. We will also look at how MDO can help automate the related processes around it. But first, let's check if the material already exists in the system. MDO has extensive search capabilities that can be used to search for, identify, and extend existing spare parts into the required plants, storage locations, etc. We will start with creating a new spare part. Most businesses face key challenges in SAP Material Master descriptions. Being free text, it results in inconsistent material descriptions and duplicate spare parts. MDO does not allow users to manually input the material descriptions, but instead automatically generates standardized material descriptions based on the user input. In MDO, users select what material they are trying to create, and all the attributes and their values for the selected material gets automatically populated. As the user selects the required specification for the material, the standardized long and short description are automatically generated based on the selection. In this section, requester can fill in additional information about the material. This form can be configured based on the requester's role as per the requirement, so that the requester has access to only the fields they own or are expected to fill in while requesting a material. MDO can also help users in automating related processes around spare parts, such as managing source lists, info records, HERS materials, etc. Once all the information has been entered, the data is validated against the predefined business rules, and inconsistencies are highlighted. As you can see, the info records, source lists, etc. have been automatically created for the material. The material request, along with all related information, can go for a consolidated approval as a single request. The reviewer can review all the required information, contribute more information if required, and approve the request. This can also be done en masse by using MDO's Excel Connect functionality. Users are required to log in to the Excel sheet using their credentials. Alternatively, we can also enable single sign-on, eliminating the need for an additional login. This helps in maintaining audit trails. The users select the required template, and all the fields defined in the form and the business rules, drop-down values, etc. are automatically downloaded to the Excel sheet from MDO. The template can also be configured according to requirements so that the requester has access only to the user-owned fields while creating a material. This Excel can also be used in an offline mode. Once all the information has been entered, the data is validated against the predefined business rules and inconsistencies are highlighted. The Excel verifies the data through the same business rules that are configured in MDO. Once the errors are corrected, the data gets updated into MDO and follows the approval process as per the defined workflows. Now that we have seen how MDO can help in the creation of the new spare parts, let us take a look at how MDO can help users in managing their legacy spare parts data. MDO Data Intelligence Workbench allows users to define and run data quality rules on legacy data. MDO Data Quality Workbench not only comes with a predefined set of business rules to manage spare parts master data, but also allows users the flexibility to configure their own business rules. All the inconsistencies identified can be cleansed within MDO. MDO has a proprietary library of spare parts that helps in the automated enrichment of spare parts data. MDO Analytics platform offers insights on your material data, such as free text purchase order values, total inventory values, the number of materials, etc. It is easy to configure any report on the Analytics platform by using the simple drag and drop interface. MDO is cloud-based. Our SAP partnership ensures MDO comes pre-configured with SAP standard fields, business rules, or validations, and seamlessly integrates with SAP. The low-code nature of the platform ensures easier maintenance and support. These features offer high return on investment for our clients as compared to other platforms. Please visit our website or contact us to explore how we can help in your supply chain data management.